Hello children, today we shall start Standard 6 Moral Science, Lesson 1, Love for God. The value taught in this chapter is about devotion, the faith and trust that we have in God here. The golden words written here, that is from the Guru Granth Sahib, those who keep the Lord enshrined means preserved or secret, within their hearts are called the devotees of God. God is the creator of everything. He is the divine force towards which we should surrender ourselves. We should always have a feeling of reverence, that is, deep respect towards God. We can express our feeling and devotion towards God by way of prayer. How to pray to God? Prayer helps us to connect ourselves with God. For praying to God, we should sit at a quiet place. Then we should close our eyes and thank God for all the lovely things that He has given us. We should also praise Him for His generosity, and then finally, we should request Him to bless us to lead us a very good life. Now, what is the importance of prayer? Prayer helps us to develop a relationship with God. When God hears our prayers, He protects us and guides us to move on the right path. Sometimes He also removes all the problems that we face. So, here is an example. Once Gandhiji's son became seriously ill. He became very weak because of high fever. One evening, the doctor advised to him some non-vegetarian soup. Gandhiji became very sad as he was a poor vegetarian. All through the night, he prayed to God. In the morning, the fever of Gandhiji's son vanished away, and soon he regained his good health and came back into normal life. Now, let's know what's the purpose of prayer. According to Gandhiji children, the purpose of prayer is to awaken the divinity. Divinity means the godliness in the depth of our heart. He who has realized the efficacy of prayer, efficacy means effectiveness or success, can live for days together without food. But without prayer, he cannot live even for a moment. Prayer is the breath of his life. Man's need for prayer is as great as his need for bread. As food is necessary for the body, prayer is necessary for the soul. I have not a shadow of doubt that the strife and quarrels with which our atmosphere is so full today are due to the absence of the spirit of true prayer. True prayer never goes unanswered. When the mind is full of prayerful thoughts, everything in the world seems good and agreeable. So, prayer is essential for progress in our lives. Now, let us read the story here, the inherent devotions. Once there lived a businessman who did not believe in God. The businessman had a son. He decided that he would not send his son to school but get him educated at home only. He did not want his son to know about God. The businessman then arranged teachers for every subject. He instructed the teachers not to tell anything about God to his son. He did not keep any religious books in his house. He did not even allow his son to meet with other children. He did not want his son to learn anything about God. As time passed and the businessman's son grew up to become 12 years old, one morning the businessman heard his son's voice, which was coming from the lawn. The businessman went towards the lawn. There he heard his son saying, "How great must be the one who has created the twinkling stars, the sun, the moon, the rivers, the oceans, the mountains and the flowers, the trees and the animals. How generous and how wise he must be. I thank him for his wonderful creations. The businessman was then stunned and surprised to see his son kneeling on the ground with hands folded in reverence there. He could not control himself. Then he ran towards his son and asked angrily, "Who taught you to say all these things?" "Nobody, Dad," he replied. "I have felt them myself. Don't you also think that all these mountains, rivers, etc., reveal the intelligence, vision, and greatness of the Creator? Shouldn't we all love this Creator? Shouldn't we all worship Him?" The businessman was moved by his son's word, and then he started believing in the existence of God, and also realized that it is impossible to hide God because He is present everywhere. That is why He is known as omniscient. So, children, prayer is a medium of showing our devotion, our faith, and trust towards God. It also develops a habit of praying to God. We should show our reverence towards God by means of prayer. Thank you.